I'm doing today. Today I'm doing a Disney Doorables Pixar Fest unboxing. It has 8 exclusive figures. It's a collection peek. It says your favorite Disney Doorable character with sparkly glitter eyes, so tiny and cute. You can't help but collect them all. Will you find a bonus figure? It says includes 8 exclusive figures. It says pull. Oh, where's the thing? It says Disney Doorables Pixar Fest Special Edition Certificate. And the bonus figure could be Buzz Lightyear. And it also has Eve, Wally, Jack, Miguel, Young Carl, Young Ellie, Remy, and Boo in it. Pull. 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 Open. Pull. And pull. And then pull. Only had 8, so it doesn't have the figure in it. The Buzz Lightyear figure in it. Is Wally. Miguel. He's so cute and he's playing his little guitar. They had the glittery eye thing that they said. It's glittery. I don't know if you guys can see that detail. It's Eva. Boo? She's so pretty. Young Carl? Young Ellie. Fuzzy Remy. Is he holding a heart? Or is that a strawberry? And then it's Jack Jack. Favorite ones would be Remy and Miguel. What about you guys? You want to leave me a comment in the comment section which one your favorite one was? And now the number for this one is 0872SK01. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe with the bell on. Thank you.